G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a luxury townhouse, unit number 20, 46 to 48 Taylor Street, Pialba. This home really does need to be viewed to appreciate all that's on offer, so let's go and take a look around. Situated in the popular bayside suburb of Pialba, Sunsea Bay is a secure gated community, ideal for those looking for a low maintenance home base to return to between your nomadic travels, or a solid investment opportunity offering strong returns. With interest rates at record lows and rental vacancy rates as tight as we've ever seen them across Hervey Bay, there has never been a better time to invest in our local property market. Completed in 2009, Sunsea Bay comprises a selection of architecturally designed townhouses with contemporary coastal design. A place where peace and privacy meet in a cosmopolitan heart of a thriving coastal community. You will appreciate and enjoy the lifestyle that comes with being able to stroll to key amenities nearby, which include the Woolworth shopping centre, there's medical centres, bowls club, the Hervey Bay RSL club, and a selection of cafes, restaurants, and the beautiful Hervey Bay esplanade and beach. Set over 2 levels, this home has high ceilings throughout, with fresh interiors, quality finishes, and a spacious open plan design for effortless indoor-outdoor living. The secure entry is via the carport area, which has been converted into a tropical oasis and second outdoor living area. You also have an intercom system to the front gates. This lovely home has been planned to allow for seamless space transitions with an expansive open plan living and dining area cleverly positioned to seamlessly connect with the alfresco outdoor entertaining area and private courtyard. This is where you'll appreciate and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. The stylish Gourmet Kitchen features stunning granite benchtops and 2-pack cabinetry with high-end European smeg appliances, including an induction hot plate with range hood, wall oven, convection microwave oven, and dishwasher. You also have a powder room with toilet on the ground floor, accessed through from the laundry. Staying cool over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the reverse cycle split system air conditioning, which flows across the main living area on the ground floor and 2 of the 3 bedrooms upstairs. Upstairs there are 3 spacious bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. The main bedroom includes reverse cycle split system air conditioning and a lavish ensuite with floor-to-ceiling tiles, a spa bath, shower, vanity with marble bench tops and a toilet. The bathroom again features floor-to-ceiling tiles and includes a shower and vanity with marble bench tops, and there's also a separate toilet. There is a second living area or retreat upstairs that could also be used as an office. This home includes a single garage with built-in shelving and a remote door, and offers direct internal access into the home. This home also includes a 5,000 litre rainwater tank and solar hot water. The owner has committed to selling this lovely home, and these properties do not come on the market all that often. So here's your opportunity to call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.